What's up, guys, and happy Thursday. You are almost through the week. Couple things. One, that is fixed. Brittany approves. Brittany likes it. She's stoked about it. No more shutting it off to run into a gas station quick. Second, we got goodies. Barney opened it. It's eBay brand. What's cool is I bought this on Monday. They didn't ship it out till yesterday, and I already got it today. There's your brand. It's not expensive, but that got my clamps, all the piping, and one thing for a lot of people, a lot of SR guys that don't run a blow-off valve or don't run a recirc with that pipe that kind of flanges off here. I got something to show you that you're going to want to know and you're going to want to put on, so stay tuned. But first, let's get it off. Jake's here. What is this thing?
Fucking hilarious.
What? You just pull that out with that.
Fucking contraption.
Well, there's a hole here. So that's why that's there. That would be one leaky issue. What? S14 SR20
No, who made it?
emusa.
Probably should have got a Godspeed set. Well, that little angle piece, that fits nice. That cobbled together fucking thing,
Yeah.
that fits nice.
Is there a gap there between them?
Oh man.
Oh, okay. So a couple will cover that.
Well, yeah. Because the way it feels is it pushed all the way up against the intercooler.
Speaking of that, we're gonna need to run the O'Reilly's. The other one of these broke, and this tight. I wonder if that was an issue too. This all the way tight doesn't really squish that much. Yep. Pretty tight too. I don't think it's coming out. Cool. Alright, let's go get O'Reilly's run for T-clamps. The ones that come with it are no good. Things you see at O'Reilly's, guys. Cheap intercooler kit, not worth it. And a conversation with myself, and I'm like, where's the shittiest place you could put this?
I usually have conversations like that too, but it's normally how the fuck my life look.
He's the real sad boy gang. Seriously, where's the shittiest place you can put that end, Andy? Right here, Andy! Alright, let's get her done. Let's put her right there. Alright, now before I put in the cold side, there's a piece on the cold side for a recirc blow-off valve, and I don't run a blow-off valve and a lot of people don't run one, so they come up with different ideas on how to fill that hole. What this is called a freeze plug. Get yourself an 1.5 inch one. It'll just slide inside that pipe, and you'll tighten this down, and it'll actually expand and fill that hole. Airtight, so piece of knowledge for you. Alright, this is taking way longer than it should, but eBay. Alright, so we got it in. Right away we noticed a couple things. The nipple here was a little too long, so we had to trim that down. This is longer. It's a little closer to this, but it's not touching. But the clearance here is a lot better. And the clearance here is a whole lot better. This is where it rubbed before. Got a whole finger gap here. And the whole thing is a lot sturdier. So let's start it up and check vacuum and make sure everything's good. Sitting around -20. Should be good. I think that's where it's at before, about -18 before, I think. But battery's almost dead, so we'll update this some more later. Another video. Till next time.